Hello everyone, in this lecture we will talk about system surrounding boundary. So let's see what is system. It is the space on which our body is focused or concentrated. So it is that portion of area which you are focused, on which you are focused or concentrated, or which is under study. What is surrounding? Everything external to the system. Anything external to the system is called as surrounding. And boundary is nothing but the separation between the system and surrounding. Okay. One note, concept is not restricted only to conventional thermodynamics. So please remove that old concept that this system surrounding boundary will be dealt only in thermodynamics subject. No, you can apply this concept anywhere in this universe. Okay, so it's applicable everywhere in life. So in philosophical life also you can apply the concept of system surrounding and boundary. So let's see a trivial representation of the system surrounding and boundary. So in textbooks you can see these diagrams. So there is a system, this yellow colored thing, thread like, this is called boundary, and everything external to this system is called as surrounding. And if you club all these, you will get universe. Now we can write from this diagram that system plus surrounding plus boundary is equal to what? It's a universe. And so you should remember that boundary thickness is 0. So one time it was asked in one competitive exam, I don't remember, but in the option they mentioned the thickness of boundary is this. So remember the boundary thickness is taken 0. Okay. System plus surrounding, if you take this boundary thickness 0, so you can say that system plus surrounding is equal to universe. So universe is club or summation of system and surrounding. Moving to next, let's see an illustration. So I'm giving you one thermodynamics example for this. A very popular example called cylinder piston arrangement. So I have got a cylinder, I have got a piston, and in this, as you can see, there is some gas present inside. So this gas I am focused on. Okay, so I am focused on this particular gas, and I want to study this. So if I want to study this and my entire concentration and focus is on this gas, then I will consider this gas as to be my system. Now you can just consider this system separately from the surrounding with the help of this boundary. So this red color region, as you can see, so this red color region is called your boundary. So let's see one by one. So here it has got four different regions, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here you can just change it, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here this first region I can consider this to be real. I will explain the types of boundaries, don't worry, but here you just have a look. So this region, that is region number 1, so this boundary is real and fixed. Why real? Because it's really existing. And why fixed? Because it's not moving. Okay, so this is the surface of the cylinder, right? So this is surface of the cylinder, and cylinder is existing, you can touch it, right? So it is fixed and it is real. Second boundary, as you can see, the surface of the cylinder again. So here also this is a real and rigid. Okay, so real and fixed. Then we have third boundary, which is the real and fixed as well, which is the cylinder surface. And the fourth boundary, as you can see, so this, as the piston simply goes out and in, so this boundary can move, right? So it's real. Why? Because this is real, because this is the internal surface of this piston. So piston is existing, you can touch that piston, so it is real. It's not imaginary, it's real. But since you can just move this piston in and out, so this can move. So that is why we can consider this piston, this boundary, to be real and movable. So here, as you can see, here we have system, this gas as the system, this red color region as the boundary, and anything outside this, I will consider this to be my surrounding. Okay, so outside cylinder portion is considered as to be surrounding. Now, not taking a thermodynamics example, let's take a general example. If you consider, generally speaking, so entire universe is actually a thermodynamics. So to avoid your confusion, if you consider that life is not a thermodynamics, you are wrong. Life is actually the being followed by the principles of thermodynamics. So we are governed by the laws of thermodynamics. So even though, so this is a general example I am taking. So I have a table, and on this table there is a book kept, and I am interested to see this book. Okay, just I am standing somewhere and just I'm focusing on this book. I just want to study this, or I just simply want to see what is there kept on the book. So if that is my focus of study, so I will consider this book as to be my system, right? Now what will be my boundary? Boundary will be this red color region as a portion, which is nothing but the periphery of the book. Alright, so this is the boundary. Now anything apart from the system will be considered as your surrounding, which is nothing but outside book periphery. So this book periphery, the region outside this periphery of the book, everything will be considered as your surrounding. Now if you club this surrounding system and everything, that will be considered as to be universe. So this was basically the concept of system, surrounding and boundary. So in the next lecture I will explain what are the types of boundaries. Okay, so see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.